In this video, I'm going to check out another Oculus Quest accessory for you guys. And it's this here. It's a hard case that I ordered off Amazon.com for around $35. Now, the interesting thing about this hard case is that it's actually made for the Oculus Quest. And, well, it has this kind of foam inserts that should perfectly fit the Quest. Now for me, the big question is, will my FrankenQuest fit inside? And well, this question I'm going to answer in this video, and all of this goodness is coming up. Hi and welcome to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang. And if this is your first time here, if you're just as excited about VR and AR as me, and if you appreciate independent reviews, then subscribe to this channel now and click on the bell button so you don't miss anything. Alright, so $35 for this hard case here. Unfortunately, it arrived to Germany already having these kind of problems. And well, probably the way from China to Germany was simply too long, but well, this is how I arrived here and I have to show you it like this. But anyways, now let's check out if the FrankenQuest and all the other things, the controllers and so on, fit into this case, and let's do this now. So this is the case. Unfortunately, here at the edges it was already like dented, so not really nice. Well, but probably that's just me, who knows. Then on the other side as well, here, dented, here on the top, right? So hopefully when you buy this, this won't happen to you, but for me, it was just like this, unfortunately. And in here, on the sides, we have these kind of things, so you can put in the shoulder strap, that is good, but now let's finally open it and have a look how everything looks inside. Okay, looks like this. So here we have the shoulder strap, important of course. Then we have a little pouch, no idea what you can fit inside there, but it's there. And here we have those foam inserts. This is where the headset goes. I'm gonna put it out right now. And this part here is for the power adapter. So let's start and let's put some things inside now. And let's start here with the controllers. And do they fit inside here? Yes. And very satisfyingly so, I would like to add. So both fit inside and it's really nice and they are very well protected. I like this a lot. Now for the power adapter. It should fit exactly into this here, and well, I'm using the European adapter. I think for the American one it will fit perfectly directly from the start, but it also works. And now the cable, I simply put it into this extra compartment here on the top, and there's loads of space. There's so much space, it's absolutely no problem at all. That's great. And now for the big FrankenQuest test. Does it fit? This is the FrankenQuest, and it indeed fits like a glove. That's so nice to see that the FrankenQuest fits into this hard case. Now let's see if we can still close it, because for the Navitec one we couldn't really close it with the FrankenQuest, but I can tell you that indeed you can close it without any problems. Really without any problems. It fits perfectly, and now you can bring your FrankenQuest wherever you want to go. Thumbs up. Here, you see? Even without dent, everything is perfectly inside this hard case, and that is indeed great. Let me open it again just to prove to you that everything is still exactly where we put it. Very nice. Really great and a good solution to bring your Quest or your FrankenQuest wherever you want to go. So you can still improve this, of course, because well, there at the headphones, the places where the headphones go, there could be a bit more space. So here And on the right side, probably here you could still cut a bit from the foam away to make the Frankenquest fit perfectly, and I believe that I'm going to do that later, but even like this, the Frankenquest fits. Now that is what I would call a positive surprise, because everything fits into this very well, and especially the Frankenquest. Until now, I didn't have a case where my Frankenquest would fit inside. Of course, the original one doesn't fit at all. Then the Navitec one that I showed you afterwards also doesn't fit. But this one, this hard case, this does fit the Frankenquest. And actually, I could still work a bit on the insert and make it fit better. So this is a very nice solution for $36, and you'll find the link in the description below. Now for my case here, unfortunately, as you could tell, it already came with this problem here. But honestly speaking, for me that's okay. I'm not going to send it back. And yeah, I will simply use it like this. For me, the most important is that actually my Frankenquest is now secured and I can easily bring it from A to B. So yeah, really nice, cheaper than the original and better if you want to bring more stuff. Here you have this extra compartment here where there's still some space. So yeah, I am positively surprised by this hard case. Again, the link is down in the description. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, do so now and click on the bell button so don't miss any of my videos. That's it, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.